Hi, beautiful people. This is your girl Vicky Signature, and today we're having a very special guest. I'll call her a guest, well, not just a guest, but I call her Mama. She's here today for her photo shoot, her birthday photo shoot. So, as usual, we'll be glamming her up. We'll be having the makeup session, and then we'll move on to the photography section. So, one special thing about Mama is that most times when I see her, especially in church, she's always having this purple lipstick or green lipstick. I don't know why. But anyway, guys, let me introduce you to Mama. Mama, you're welcome today to Vicky's signature vlog. So
thank you.
How do you feel coming back? She's always coming every year for her photo shoots, and I really appreciate that. God bless you so much.
I feel so good. It's good to celebrate your birthday because it is only birthday we can celebrate ourselves.
Exactly. We have many more celebrations. We have other things to celebrate, but you know, this birthday is always so special because you feel like a baby again, and, and Mama is always coming back for that glam.
Yes.
Thank you so much for trusting this brand. God bless you. And one more question, Mama, for our viewers. How do you feel when you have your purple lipstick or your green lipstick?
That is the best lipstick. I feel good. Without that, feel good.
Oh my god. You know, there's one thing I love about Mama. She's always very, very sorry I'm calling her Mama, but she's Mommy Beatrice. We know her that way, but I love to call her Mama because I look at her and I remember my mom. You know, so there's one thing I love about her, how she wears her lipsticks and how she carries herself. She doesn't look at it that it's color purple, color green, this and that. No. Mama wears her colors with confidence.
Yes. Say that again.
So, the purpose of this video is just to show you carry you through the process of glamming Mama, her makeup, her photography, and the end result. So guys, we'll be coming back to show you the whole process and the end results. So don't go away, enjoy this video. Mama, bisu.
Mama Cameroon.
Alright guys, see you.
Wow. I love it.
Bravo.
Oh yes.
You look beautiful.
Thank you. Love it.